Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Windows Defender applications keeps re-enabling after you try turning it off on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So a couple different things to consider here if you're using a third-party antivirus, typically of the paid variety. If you stop paying for a subscription service, it will typically stop offering protections, in which case Windows Defender would steam back in and try and turn it all back on. So that's one thing you want to check. And this is a built-in functionality that allows Windows Defender to attempt to remain on even if malware or other malicious applications may attempt to disable or turn it off. So without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on search menu, and then next ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung Windows Security, and then click mo lang tong open. Okay, so dito sa Windows Security, dito lang sa Security at Glance, and then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Virus and Threat Protections. Click mo lang siya. And then dito sa Virus Threat Protections, and then next ay makita mo dito yung Virus and Threat Protection Settings. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-tap to Manage Settings. So dito sa Manage Settings, scroll down at select lang natin dito yung Tamper Protections. Okay, so prevents others from tampering with important security features. Kailangan lang natin itong i-turn off. Okay, so turn off natin. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang Windows Defenders keeps re-enabling in Windows 11. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.